Number 2 example natin para dito sa standard equation ng parabola with given vertex 2, negative 1, focus, negative 1, negative 1. So, identify natin yung HK. Ito yung HK. 2, negative 1. Ito yung X and Y. So, in this case, hindi natin pwedeng isubtract yung negative 1 sa negative 1. So, magiging 0 yun. So, ibig sabihin, yung gagamitin natin yung negative 1 minus 2. So, ang gagawin natin is A is equals to X minus H. Ang X is negative 1 minus 2. Negative 1 minus 2, meron tayong negative 3. So, pag negative 3 tayo, yung value ng A, ang ibig sabihin niya, ginamit natin yung X minus Y, horizontal yung axis of symmetry, tapos, it's either to the right or to the left, dahil nga, nagkaroon tayo ng negative value, ang negative value ng A is to the left, kaya to the left yung opening ng parabola. Dahil ito yung ginamit natin, meron tayong horizontal axis of symmetry. Ang gagamitin nating formula is y minus k squared is equals to 4a times quantity of x minus h. Gamitin natin to. Okay, substitute lang natin yung value ng hk saka yung a. K is equals to negative 1. So, negative 1 dito magiging positive 1 dito. Negative 3, A. H is positive 2, so negative dito. And then simplify. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, x minus 2. So, ito na ngayon yung standard form natin ng parabola. Y plus 1 square is equals to negative 12 x minus 2. Standard equation of parabola. Paano kung gusto kong gawin siyang general form? Sa general form, i-expand lang natin to at ito i-distribute. So, ganito lang gagawin natin. This is a perfect binomial. So, alam naman natin yung pag-expand dito. Pwedeng gamitin ang FOIL method. So, y times y. 1 times y is y times 2. 1 or 1 square is equals to distribute negative 12 times x. Negative 12, negative 2 multiply. So, positive 24. So, lipat natin sa bandang left. I-arrange na lang natin. Y square. So, in this case, unahin natin yung may x raised to 1, sunod 2y. Dahil tatranspose natin to magiging positive 12x. Ito, 12y. Tapos ito, positive 1. Transpose din natin to negative 24. Matitira sa kabila, wala na. So, is equals to 0. I-simplify natin yung 1 saka negative 24. So, we have y square plus 12x plus 12y. I'm sorry, this is not 12. This is 2y. Okay, so kukopihin lang. Again, ito is 2y. Nagaya ko sa 12. Tapos, 1 saka negative 24, negative 23 is equals to 0. So, ito na yung general form natin. Equation of parabola in general form.